I hope you all are having an amazing day. It is the first day of fall. Whoop whoop! So, in celebration, I've been sketching out some things. So I have right here a gnome. And here's another one that'll probably be in one of my future ones. I've already painted this one out once. Made some changes. Decided I liked it better a certain way. So, we're going to do it that way. Let me find my original one for that one. So there's that one. I went with no plan. As you can see the wood through the back. Because really I just did this. I actually even did this on the wrong side of paper. This was my sketch and my experimenting with my hydrangea. I don't waste paper. It's too expensive. But we're going to do the gnome for today. Start with a little bit of moon glow. I think I'm going to start with moon glow on his pants. I'm just going to do this kind of loose. Our little Mr. Gnome. Gnomes are so cute. I had fun playing around. I did a whole sketching session of gnomes. Different faces, different beards. And we have to do his cute little nose. So color will we do his nose? I really don't want him to have a red nose. I know. I already did one of these the other day. We'll do it with that pale light. And I actually have some of that out already. So that'll be perfect. There we go. There's his nose. He's so cute already. And I think for his beard, a little bit of Mayan blue. It's just going to be really watered down. That's crazy because I'm using moon glow. I use moon glow for his pants. But moon glow with the Daniel Smith breaks down into some beautiful shades and beautiful colors. I mean, this almost looks amethysty purple. glow around his nose. Bring that down. Now he's got a little hat on. What color do we want to do his hat? How about a green? Because I'm doing all of this kind of muted. This is going to be fall colors. I've already got green out left over from doing the goldenrods. Hopefully my head's not right in the camera.
Are turning brown, red and yellow, soon they'll be falling down. Now, I'm not ready, not just yet. I'm not ready for autumn. Autumn comes too soon. Autumn comes too soon. The light that flickers will blow away the sun. Just yet, I'm not ready for autumn. Autumn comes too soon. I'm not ready for autumn. Autumn comes too soon. Autumn comes too soon. Autumn comes too soon. Tonight, but you don't seem to forget about yourself. Wondering how it could go so wrong, but you didn't call for help. But let me tell you about the trees and the seas, how it's all connected. The flowers and the birds and bees, the northern lights, yeah, we're all affected. Watching, pray, pray, pray. I'm breathing in. I'm breathing out. So here's a reminder to look at life that's pouring into you. And so my friend, let me tell you once again, and you know that it's true. Forget about seeing it or hearing it, in the end you must feel. Forget about all you know, you need to go, it's okay to let go. Just let it go, go, go. Then you're breathing in. You're breathing out. We're breathing in. We're breathing out.
When we were younger, we used to sit on the grass among the flowers. We just let the days pass by. People would tell us to get a grip of ourselves and get a job. We didn't care what we were told, 'cause when we were younger, we used to sit on the grass and go, damn, I don't wanna grow old. I wish I could turn back time. Stay up all night singing songs on the terrace. We didn't mind sitting out in the cold. It wasn't possible to make us embarrassed. We were free. Do you remember stealing smokes from your parents? Sometimes we got a bit out of control. When they found out we ran from home just to scare them, we were free. When we were 17. When we got older, we tried to stay in touch, but we had to move on. Life ran away from us. If I could go back, be 17 again, yeah, I would, just to see all my friends running around the city, acting crazy like we used to do. I wish I could turn back time. Stay up all night singing songs on the terrace. We didn't mind sitting out in the cold. It wasn't possible to make us embarrassed. We were free. Do you remember stealing smokes from your parents? Sometimes we got a bit out of control. When they found out we ran from home just to scare them, we were free. When we were 17. When we were 17. used to sit on the grass and go, damn, I don't wanna grow old. Stay up all night singing songs on the terrace. We didn't mind sitting out in the cold. It wasn't possible to make us embarrassed. We were